Power, and today we just want to thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. We're gonna do 1,000 subscribers special, and it's gonna be a surprise for you guys. So throughout our 1,000 subscribers, we made many fun videos. Right, Janai? Right, Jordan? Right, Jaden? Yep.
The first video, we made slime and Jasmine lost, so we slimed her.
And by the way, in the 1,000 subscriber special, I'm gonna surprise Jordan, Janai, and Slime them this time.
We also made a friend. His name is Skelly.
We did challenges like Chubby Bunny, which is also fun.
Yes, did you? Okay, be quiet, Jasmine.
And like the sour challenge, which you should definitely check out if you haven't yet.
Where is it?
You have to drink it as well.
I need water.
Oh, I think you're gonna like it, Jazz. Ooh. Oh no, I'm not.
Ready, Nana?
Mm-hmm.
Drink the whole thing.
Where's the paper?
Right next to you, to your left. Green.
And also, we have fun with the Onyx family.
Right.
Stop. Yeah, that's
Awesome.
perfect. Now.
Alright, stand back.
Quickly.
It worked.
Oh, it stinks.
Can I smell? It stinks. It does not smell good, guys. Make sure you get perfume too.
No.
And spray it.
Spray it with perfume.
Oh, I smell it.
I'm gonna do more glitter and more.
You guys see all the glitter on there?
Let's do it again.
Alright, let's do it again. Let's do it one more time.
We also made slime with our cousin Lexi Fia 3.
I think it's ready.
Yeah.
The color is very beautiful. Yeah, I love this type of purple. It's very close to pink though. And during the process, we made a new series called What's On It. You should really check it out.
Open your eyes and look at the plate. Okay, what do you see on your plates?
A whole bunch of jellyfish.
It looks like jellyfish, but it's not. Don't open the plates, okay? That's bacteria.
And stay tuned for the subscriber special. If you want us to do anything specifically, comment down below. And also, we made squishy videos where we collected squishies. And since we have 1,000 subscribers, maybe we'll do a squishy giveaway or guess that squishy challenge.
Look what we found.
Well, these are squishy Oh my goodness!
Cinnamon roll squishy. And the cart. She made the cart.
Oh,
Look,
she
right?
made it!
Right.
In the cart! Ice cream cart. In the cart.
Yeah, my favorite part was when we went to go to the concert where Kevin from Pentatonix was performing.
also saw our experience with the science fair.
And I'm also going to ISEF, so I'll be vlogging that.
And the last thing is, we made new friends, which are you guys.
And we love you!
And the best thing about it was, we
had fun!
Get beat up.
Get out of here, Jordan!